Hello friends, peace be upon you all. If you have many objects open in your document, so it takes time to open each object. If you want to open more objects, go to the File drop-down menu, then Scripts, and then Load Files into Stack. Clicking on it will open a window. You can check Create Smart Object after loading layers. This will convert each of your layers into a smart object. I'm not ticking it right now. I select my objects by clicking Browse. Here I have 5 images, or objects. Clicking OK will bring up their list. Now I'll click OK here. So, these images will start opening here, one by one. Once opened, I will select all these layers. And I will take these 5 objects to my main document. Now I'll press Ctrl+T to transform. These are actually icons, so I'll reduce their size here. Now, if I want to align these icons horizontally or vertically, aligning layers to their vertical centers is a common task. Ensuring elements are perfectly aligned along a vertical axis. So for this, I will select all 5 layers. Now go to Layer, Align, then click on Vertical Centers. As I told, aligning layers to their vertical centers is a common task. Again, go to Layer, Distribute, then click on Horizontal Centers. So, this way all my icons will be horizontally aligned. But, what if I want to align them vertically? Suppose they are scattered in the same way, and they have to be vertically aligned. So, you have to select these layers again. Now go to Layer, Align, then click on Horizontal Centers. This will align layers to their vertical centers. Again, go to Layer, Distribute, then click on Vertical Centers. So, this way all the icons will be vertically aligned. This was a little tip on how you can open multiple images or objects at once. And then how can you align them horizontally or vertically. I hope you like this video regarding this tip. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.